Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
70-degree air temperature and a dew point, slightly cooler at 68 degrees. We have a north-northeast wind that comes in at about 9, and as we head into the afternoon, I think we'll start to see that wind speed begin to increase a little bit, get a little breezy around here. And by the evening hours, we'll see a small craft advisory issued once again. It's still in effect till 10 o'clock this morning, but honestly, the winds are starting to die down significantly now. 71 degrees, Wauchula, 70 Arcadia, Myakka, Parrish at 69, so's Bradenton. We have 71 degrees in Venice, Northport coming in at 70, so's Punta Gorda, and Boca Grande coming in at 73. Quiet everywhere across the nation except the Pacific Northwest and a few scattered areas of monsoonal showers occurring in the desert Southwest. Otherwise, the peninsula of Florida is very quiet as well, with only a few scattered showers over on the other coast thanks to that easterly wind flow, northeasterly wind flow. Locally, everything is quiet. Morning commute should be a-okay. Don't see any reason to anticipate showers this morning. And even this afternoon, I don't think we're going to see a lot. Maybe one or two isolated sprinkles in, well, inland areas. Other than that, I think the status quo will go on again today with beautiful conditions, lots of sunshine, little rain chance, relatively low humidity, although it's going to get lower. But first, it's going to get higher. And the reason is we have a high-pressure ridge sprawling across the country, bringing fair weather that scoots toward the Atlantic. As it does that this weekend, our winds twist out of the south, and that southerly wind flow brings in the humidity and some chances of rainfall as well, especially as we head into the beginning of next work week and a cold front approaches the region. That could trigger off a line of showers as that front moves through. Probably on Tuesday. So warmer today, or at least a warming trend begins today, and then we'll wait for some late weekend rains to start coming our way as we moisten the atmosphere, and then cooler next week with the arrival of our first significant cold front. The wind speeds will be picking up again, as I mentioned, particularly out in the area waters where that red that you saw there is an indication of those stronger wind speeds occurring during the evening hours and overnight hours. Then by dawn tomorrow morning, everything starts to quiet down again, and we're left with some pretty nice conditions. As I mentioned, only an isolated shower possible over the next several days, as the East Coast is the bullseye for heavier rains. Northeast winds get a little breezy tonight, coming in at about 20 once again, just as they did yesterday. And over the course of the week ahead, a couple of beautiful days, Friday and Saturday, followed by late Sunday into Monday, rain shower chances increasing with the arrival of a front and some cooler temperatures next week. Back to you.